Probably the most simple of the events to learn. Get your feet, so your ankles are aligned roughly with the back hand end of the vandals. You want the split between your two biggest fingers here to go down the middle of the bar, so that way you've got more of your hand towards the back. That's so when you pick it up, the farmers will intentionally lean forward. Because it's leaning forward, that'll help you keep moving forward, as opposed to if you grab it too far back, you're constantly fighting against it, or if you've got your hands too far back, then it's gonna start leaning you forward as well. It's a slight forward lean you want. When you stand up, shoulders back, scapula's nice and retracted. Once again, same deal with your feet as the yoke. Feet angled slightly in. Short, fast steps, pick up speed as you go down the course. Farmers you'll find are gonna be the easiest one to get a hold of. Biggest limiting factor, will be your grip. Other than that, yoke and farmers work a lot of things really similar, with the exception of you're dealing with a higher load with the yoke. Farmers are generally going to be greater distance when it comes to both training protocols and in competition. And you've got the grip that becomes a limiting factor there.